All right, guys, here we are at Michael's. Oh, look at how beautiful. This is nice. These are candle holders. Doesn't say the price and stuff. Well, I don't have my glasses, so yeah, guys, but these are nice. You could tell they're glass and then they're painted on the outside. Nah. Look at this, guys. These are nice. I don't know. This is the price. Okay. Yeah, that's one thing. The stuff don't have prices. This is cute. See, these are orange, and I'm looking for lemon. I need lemon, guys. Lemons. I can find no lemons. These are orange. These are plums. Over here we have apples. But guys, I can find no lemons anywhere. I don't know what's going on, guys. I really don't know. Okay. And I'm looking for beads, but I don't know. This is cute for my tier tray. So 60% off. So maybe I'll grab one of these. And look at this one, guys. I could use this on my tier tray. Just remove them. And yeah. I mean, I could get this at the Dollar Tree for like $1, but I couldn't find the bead. Nothing beat at the Dollar Tree this season. Anyways, let's continue looking. I hope you guys are doing good. You guys will see me with the same clothing because this is the same day that I am out shopping. Today is Sunday. The florals are gorgeous, but I don't need any more florals. They are beautiful. Let me step back so you guys can admire what they have on Michael at 60% off. That's the sign. So, then we have this here. It's a floral arrangement with a bead in it. That's cute. So, some flowers, $3.99. A bunch. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. And that's a good bunch. See, I'll show you. You take one of these bunches and you mix it with some other flowers. And you will have a nice flower arrangement. You know what? I'm going to take one. I didn't pick a card because I don't want to. If I pick a card, I will buy a lot of stuff, guys. I'm telling you. I know myself. Little yellow. Oh, I like this. This is cute. Yeah. All right. See, I see a garland with oranges, but nothing with lemon. I'm telling you guys, I gotta find some lemons. Yeah. All right, guys, let me go to the other section of the store and I'll bring you guys along with me. Guys, guess what I found? Dun-dun-dun-dun. A lemon. It only has 2 lemons, but I wish I would have more, but it only has 2 lemons. And I don't know how much are these. So I'm going to take this and what I have here. All right, guys, I'm going to continue shopping and I will take you guys along with me. I want to go look for in the other craft section, see if I found the little bees, because I'm doing some DIY and I need some bee for my beehive. So let's go on the other side. There's a lot of people here today. Well, guys, look what I found. I found lemons and it is $9.99 for just one. And then they have these big ones. You get 5 for $13.99. And then, of course, you have the little ones for $7.99. And then you have the little slices, $5.99. So, I don't know, guys. I really don't know. I think it seems a little bit expensive. But we could manage. I don't want to spend a lot of money just on florals. You know, I don't know. So what should I do? Maybe I buy the little ones. Think I have an idea. Yeah, I'm gonna take the little ones. Even though they don't look the same, but I'll take the little ones. So guys, I'm still looking for my little tiny bee for my beehive that I want to do. They got moss. Guys, I'm in this aisle with the moss is and my eyes are itchy really bad, so I need to get out of here. My nose is starting to burn. Oh, yeah, gotta get out of this aisle. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next aisle. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, guys.